I'm out here looking at these tiny homes, these little buildings, whatever you want to call them. And let me tell you, if you plan to keep one of these and turn it into a she shed, he shed, man cave, tiny home, whatever you want, storage, they're pretty good. Prices can be okay. But if you're planning on turning this into like a livable little house, that's another story. So let's look at this one. This one, the sale, $9,118.18 plus tax. It is a 12 by 32. Okay, now this looks neat, but now on the inside, let's look at it. Okay, it is a shell. So you're going to have to put in walls. You're going to have to put in flooring. You're going to have to put in insulation. You can connect to your main house's water if you wish. But now sewage is another thing. You're going to have a separate septic system costing thousands of dollars. Or you can hook up to city or county sewage, which is in, my county here, $750 for them to even dig the little spot to put it in, and then you have to have somebody hook all that up. So when I had mine, I was in around $25,000. That was with buying it, which mine cost like $4,000, I think. It was a 10 by 20. It cost $4,000. So, but by the end of it, I was in about $25,000. And you're not going to resell these if you've, done them and put in that much money. You're not going to resell them. So if you're just using it for, like I said, if you're going to use it forever, yeah, it can be a pretty good deal. But if you're not going to keep it forever, just don't. You'll be out too much money. And while I'm at it, I was going to tell you, follow me on Facebook. Yep, my link is in the description. It's been so cold, I haven't been able to make many videos for YouTube here. I mean, I've made a bunch of shorts, and I delved into the political arena, but other than that, I haven't been able to get out and, hike and go these places I usually go, because it's been snowing. Look, there's still snow up there on top of that mountain. That is gorgeous too in that sunset. But anyway, yeah, so follow me on Facebook, and on there I do stuff like I'll go into stores and do some prices, things like that. But other than that, I'll see you in my next video, and I'm going to try to get out tomorrow because it's supposed to be warmer. I'm going to try to get out tomorrow and do one of my usual videos. So until then, see you guys. Bye.